Hello everyone. Today topic is soft C rule. Okay, C has two sound, k and s. So odd C and soft C. Okay, when C is followed by a o u, it says k sound. Okay, when C is followed by e I y, it says s sound. Example: k at cat, k at cut, k ought cot, k own cone. Okay, when C is followed by I y e, the C sound will be soft. S, s e t, city, cycle, 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 s l, cell, circle. Okay, after teaching these rule, we'll ask the student this C. Make the sounds k r s. The C is followed by E. So the sounds will be soft. The C sound soft. Scent. Scent. Okay. Next. C is followed by U. The sounds will be k. K up. Cup. Okay. Thank you.